Adding and removing vertexes. You can find the Add Remove Vertex function in the left-hand toolbar. Click on that and click on any vertex you wish to remove. This is a persistent tool. We hit undo here. You can also do this with a right click, which will open up your contextual menu, and here you can select Remove Vertex. That is not going to be persistent, so that will always return you to your pointer tool, or whichever tool that you are currently using. If we select on a portion of that, we can also insert vertex. Again, it will not be persistent if we select from the right select menu. If we select from the toolbar, it will be persistent. And this is the Add Remove Vertex function.